Hello everyone! So now we're going to do some super fun mess-free painting. You will need one piece of paper, one box that has a lid, any box that you have, and you will need some rocks, or you can use marbles if you have. You can use any small parts actually that you have at home, and you need a paint. So you need to place the paper inside the box, then put a few drops of paint. Let's put the purple one as well. All right, now we'll place these rocks inside. Close the box and do the shaping. Open, and we have an artwork. It looks nice, right? I know that you can do this at home. It is super fun for babies as well, because babies are putting small things in their mouth, so it's very safe because you close the box and they can't open it. Thank you so much.